Ladies and gentlemen, dear all, we are a group from Grade 6 Vietnam Australia International School, Ba Đăng Hai campus in Vietnam. I'm Lashad, the first speaker. I'm here today to share our concern about climate changes, facts, and solutions. Our speech contains 6 main parts, which will be presented in 6 weeks. In my first part, I would like to talk about what I understand of climate change and what cause of climate change in Vietnam, where I live. First of all, I would like to express my serious concern and wonder about climate changes. We are living in the same planet named Earth. The Earth is our home. Our home is being polluted and in danger. Our home is wounded and sends SOS signal to us through natural events. There are more and more natural disasters as Mother Nature is angry and gives punishment. Yes, that is true. The nature gives back us what we throw to her. We should be aware of the fact that we are destroying our living environment, but no one else's. It is time to protect our living environment from damage, overexploitation, and destruction. It is time for us to find solutions to reduce loss and negative effects from climate change to planet or home. To start off, I want to give definition for climate change. What is climate change? Climate change refers to the long-term changes in global temperatures and other characteristics of the atmosphere. Climate change occurs because of an imbalance between incoming and outgoing radiation in the atmosphere. Climate has changed throughout Earth's long history, but this time is different. Human activity is causing worldwide temperatures to rise higher and faster than any time we know of in the past. This means that we are destroying our planet's atmosphere and increasing its temperature. Consequently, we ourselves are bearing natural loss and destruction, which cause negative effects on our lives. Unfortunately, my country Vietnam is among the most vulnerable nations to climate change impacts, according to a recent international panel on climate change report. Climate change has made more severe natural disasters, such as typhoons, floods, and droughts in many places in Vietnam. These extreme weather events are expected to worsen in coming years. According to global weather statistics, in past 50 years, the average temperature in Vietnam has increased about 0.5 to 0.7 degrees Celsius, and sea level has risen about 20 centimeters. The first cause of climate change in Vietnam is its geography. Vietnam has more than 3,000 kilometer coastlines. Vietnam experiences more than 10 tropical storms and typhoons traverse every year. The center of Vietnam suffers severe weather around year, and Mekong Delta in the south is among the most vulnerable regions in the world to rising sea levels. This is nature creation caused. We only can adapt to it, but there are reasons caused by ourselves. One of these reasons is the rapid development of industrialization and modernization. It is sad to know that my country is one of the top 10 countries with the most serious air pollution in the world. Vietnam is suffering from some of the most air pollution recorded from 2017 to 2018. The annual average concentration of PM2.5 fine particulate matter, the smoke and waste from industrial zones, vehicles, and household energy usages are major causes for air pollution. The fact is that Vietnamese people prefer using private than public transportation vehicles. The fact is that the environmental protection regulations and management somehow or somewhere are not followed. The deforestation in Vietnam is also another cause for climate change. According to statistics from Global Forest Watch, in 2010, Vietnam has 14.5 million hectares of natural forest, extending 50% of its land areas. But in 2020, it lost 152,000 hectares of natural forest. The loss of trees and deforestation can cause climate change, soil erosion, flood, increased greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Forests supply us oxygen. Forests are our lungs. However, our lungs are being destroyed. Forests also regulate water cycles, maintain soil quality, and reduce the risk of natural disasters. I have just listed some main causes for climate change in Vietnam. Climate change is no longer the concern of scientists and government. All of us should be aware of protecting our living environment from climate change. Our living environment needs to be improved. Climate change only reduces when our environment gets better. We will continue to talk more detail about climate change and its effect in the next part. Join with us and stay tuned. Bye for now.